Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're signed in, so open your profile and focus on the intro or experience area. Click the pencil to edit or the plus to add a new role. This begins the update. When you enter text, prioritize an accurate title and employer so LinkedIn can link the company page. Once done, use concise language that highlights impact. Numbers help. Make sure your location and industry fields reflect the new role because those affect search and network relevance. Now you fill the detailed fields. Type the exact job title, select the company from suggestions so it links, set location and employment type. Choose start and end dates or toggle current role. Accurate dates help recruiters. Add a concise role summary with achievements and metrics, then attach media or documents to showcase work. Once you link the company page, LinkedIn can display logos and validate connections, which boosts credibility and appears in search results. Review your entry slowly. Read the title and summary aloud to check clarity, then click Save. Decide whether to notify your network, toggle visibility based on timing. Once saved, verify on your public profile and mobile app to ensure the company link and logo appear. If the company doesn't link, edit the company name to match the official page or select it from the drop-down. If problems persist, log out, clear cache, or relog to force LinkedIn to refresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.